opened your site late last night. Couldn't sleep, thought I'd take a look. Big words, bold claims everywhere, but I still didn't get what you do. There's a button that says book a demo. Next Thursday, 3:30 p.m. I closed the tab, told myself I'll figure this out some other time again. You could've just shown me, would've taken a minute or two. Instead of all this explaining, I'm still guessing what's true. If it's good, I'll know it. I don't need the whole show. You could've just shown me, that's all I needed to know. Now I'm on a call with your team. 3 new faces, cameras off. Someone sharing their screen again, and I'm trying hard not to get lost. They say we'll cover that later, but later never really comes. And I'm nodding like I get it, even though I don't. You could've just shown me, let me try it on my own. Click around for a minute, figure it out alone. If it works, I'll feel it. I don't need you to convince me so. You could've just shown me, that's all I needed to know. Send me something I can open, something simple I can trust. Not another follow-up email, just something that works. I'd probably still be there if it made sense right away. I'd have even sent it to someone else, said, hey, this is actually great. You didn't have to sell me, didn't have to put on a show. You could've just shown me, that's all I needed to know.